The world's largest container lessor, GE Seaco, operates a fleet of around 1 million TEU with the widest range of unit types. As a pioneer in the development of containers for specialized applications, GE Seaco has changed the face of international transportation, regularly introducing new and successful equipment for virtually every cargo type. Pushing the frontiers of container design, the company's commitment to product innovation and development is well documented, from flush-folding flat racks, SeaDek, to roller-end swap bodies. GE Seaco was also at the forefront in implementing the use of ozone-friendly refrigerants in its refrigerated containers, all examples of the company's rapid response to ever-changing industry needs. GE Seaco's latest design, the revolutionary SeaCell, epitomizes its innovative approach to containerization. Designed and built to GE Seaco's exacting specifications, this patented unit is able to carry up to 27% more cargo than a standard marine container. Until SeaCell, pallet-wide containers were restricted to regional or continental use, since they were limited to transportation by short sea, rail, road and barge operations, through being over width. As the leading marine intermodal container, able to accommodate a variety of pallets side by side, SeaCell is also fully ISO compatible. Thanks to its unique asymmetric corrugated walls, SeaCell's sidewall design provides extra internal width and volume. Its standard ISO frame means that the unit's corner castings are in normal positions, so it's easily lifted by standard equipment and needs no special operational treatment or financial investment in handling facilities. The difference between the sidewall design of SeaCell compared to a conventional dry freight box is that its corrugations extend beyond the frame width. When a SeaCell is stowed next to a standard marine container, the corrugations simply fit into the dead space between them. As a result, when planning the loading or discharge of a vessel, shipping lines like Great Western have been able to offer its shippers additional cargo loading capacity, yet operationally can treat SeaCell in exactly the same way as any other container. Designed for full ISO stacking, 7 high for 40 foots and 9 high for 20-foot units, SeaCell can be stowed with all types of containers in narrow container cells or close deck fittings of 25 millimeters. The operational aspect of ship loading is unaffected by using SeaCell in the fleet. SeaCell's sidewalls are manufactured from thicker, stronger steel than other containers, with corrugations angled to speed up positioning of units. Not only is SeaCell easy to handle and cell-friendly, it's also able to offer shippers more pallet, cubic and payload capacity than other standard marine containers. By loading either Euro, metric or Australian-sized pallets side by side, SeaCell can fit up to as many as 5 extra pallets per layer into a 40-foot container. As well as offering a considerable increase in pallet capacity, movement within the container is restricted as the pallets fit snugly, making the cargo more secure and less prone to damage in transit. By palletizing cargo, there are benefits at either end of the distribution chain in both time and reduced labor and distribution costs. Poor stuffing of cargo costs the industry over $3 billion a year in insurance claims. SeaCell has already started bringing significant savings for shippers who are using these revolutionary units, especially those transporting fragile and expensive commodities such as glass or electronics. SeaCell's benefits also extend to hand-packed cargo. Its extra internal width gives much greater cubic capacity, potentially increasing a container ship's carrying capability by over 1 freight ton per TEU, so that on a 6,600 TEU vessel, by simply using SeaCells rather than standard boxes, a shipping line would have additional cell space for up to an extra 238 20-foot units. For shippers, This increased capacity translates into greater efficiency and easily achieved cost reductions in freight, drayage, handling and other end-to-end supply chain expenses. CCell's operational and cost-saving opportunities provide advantages to both shippers and shipping lines alike, through the lower number of containers needed to move cargo and the corresponding reduction and elimination of costs. As the use of containers revolutionized the transportation of internationally traded cargo, CCell takes that revolution one step further, delivering new and improved levels of productivity and efficiency. The advantages of this new container are obvious. CCell saves money, transporting cargo more efficiently and cost-effectively. CCell reduces cargo damage. Its pallet-wide width enables more efficient stuffing. CCell minimizes losses. Its palletized cargo is less prone to pilferage and damage. CCell carries more cargo per unit than other boxes. GE Seco's CCell is the first choice container for the future. Cell-wide, pallet-wide, worldwide.